Hello and welcome to the unboxing of the CP Plus E21 2MP camera by Ezykam. This is basically a security camera, a CCTV for home use. This is a 2MP camera. There you can see it's written home on your phone, security camera. Let me quickly see what other information we have on this particular box. Not much actually, so let's open this box and take a look inside. There you go, this is what you find inside the box. First up we have an operation guide, quick operation guide. It is basically asking us to download a particular app called, I'll tell you what the name of the app. The app is called Ezykam Plus. You can download it from App Store. So in order for you to use this particular camera, you will have to download this particular app and pair this particular camera to that particular app. And that's it. Now let's take a look at the box. So this is it. This is what you find inside the box. I'll give you a closer look at each of these components. Okay, first off we have a charging cable for this particular device. There you can see. I'm going to leave this over here. This is a wall mount bracket for this particular phone. So if you want to attach it to a ceiling, like a ceiling or to a wall, then you can use this particular bracket. This is a power brick or power adapter for the charging cable. Let me quickly show you. There you go. And finally we have a packet of screws and mounts for when you want to install the wall bracket. Now let's take a look at the camera itself. There you can see it has full 360-degree swivel along with a pan and tilt motion right over here. There's a TF card slot on this side, along with there's a reset button over here. There's a 3.5mm jack over here, and also a LAN port for when you want to connect it to network. We also have 3 rubber stops underneath to make sure that it doesn't slip. Finally, there are 2 speakers over here as well. And this is it. This is what you find inside the box containing the CP Plus E21 2MP Full HD camera by Ezykam. Thank you for watching.